the Busani dish drying rack, is a reliable and well-designed addition to any kitchen. With product dimensions of 18 into 13 into 15 inches and a manageable weight of 5.95 pounds, this dish drying rack offers a practical solution for organizing and drying dishes. The positive rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars based on 1,767 customer reviews speaks volumes about the satisfaction of its users. It's evident that this product has garnered great feedback and has become a bestseller, ranking at #17, 508 in kitchen and dining, and #204 in dish racks. The rack's sleek modern design and ample size make it suitable for use in various kitchen settings. Its thoughtful layout allows for convenient drying and storage of various dishware. The durable construction and thoughtful design are clear indications of the product's quality and functionality. Additionally, the Busani dish drying rack offers practicality and efficiency, making it an essential accessory for any kitchen.
The Novaya Bamboo Dish Drying Rack 2. Tier offers a sustainable and practical solution for air-drying dishes, utensils, and kitchenware. Crafted from bamboo, this eco-friendly material ensures durability and adds a touch of natural elegance to any kitchen space. With product dimensions of 10 inches in diameter, 16.1 inches in width, and 13 inches in height, the Novaya Bamboo Dish Drying Rack 2-tier provides ample space for efficient drying and storage. Its 2-tier design maximizes drying capacity while optimizing counter space usage, making it an ideal choice for smaller kitchens or those striving for a minimalist aesthetic. The brand's commitment to quality is evident in this product, as the Novaya Bamboo Dish Drying Rack 2-tier showcases excellent craftsmanship and attention to detail. The use of bamboo as the primary material not only contributes to its sturdiness, but also reflects an eco-conscious approach to kitchen organization. The natural bamboo color of the dish rack.
The KitchenAid Compact Space-Saving Rust-Resistant Dish Rack is a valuable addition to any kitchen, offering both functionality and style. With its durable plastic material and rust-resistant design, this dish rack ensures long-lasting use and an attractive appearance. The compact design of this dish rack makes it a perfect fit for smaller kitchen spaces, allowing for efficient countertop mounting without taking up too much room. The mineral watercolor adds a touch of elegance to the kitchen decor, complementing a wide range of interior styles. One of the standout features of this dish rack is its adjustability, allowing for customizable storage to accommodate various dish sizes and kitchenware. This flexibility adds to the overall convenience and practicality of the product. Weighing just 1.36 kilograms, this dish rack offers portability and ease of use, making it suitable for both home use and on-the-go situations. Its lightweight nature does not compromise its sturdiness.
The Haudia over-the-sink dish drying rack is a testament to practical design and sturdy construction. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this rack is built to last, providing a durable solution for your kitchen needs. With product dimensions of 11.4 inches in diameter, 32.3 inches in width, and 33.9 inches in height, it offers ample space for drying dishes while optimizing counter space. The sleek black color of the Haudia rack adds a touch of modern elegance to any kitchen, seamlessly blending with various decor styles. Its versatile nature allows it to serve as a sponge holder, utensil holder, and an efficient drying platform for various kitchenware. The Haudia over-the-sink dish drying rack is ingeniously designed for easy setup, offering both sink and over-the-sink mounting options, ensuring flexibility in installation. Despite its substantial weight of 8.5 pounds, it boasts an impressive weight limit of 66 pounds, highlighting its robustness and reliability. The rack's premium quality.
The ULG Dish Drying Rack is a practical and space-saving solution for organizing and drying your dishware. With product dimensions of 16.14 inches in diameter, 4.72 inches in width, and 13.18 inches in height, this black rack from the trusted ULG brand provides ample space for drying plates, glasses, and utensils without occupying precious countertop space. The wall mount feature of this dish drying rack sets it apart from traditional designs, allowing for easy installation and freeing up countertop space for food preparation or other kitchen activities. The sleek black color adds a modern touch to any kitchen decor, and its sturdy construction ensures long-lasting durability. Whether you have a compact kitchen or simply value a tidy and organized space, the ULG dish drying rack is an excellent addition. Its recommended uses for dishware make it a practical and essential tool for any home kitchen or commercial setting, ensuring that your dishes dry efficiently and remain neatly organized.